Hey guys, welcome to a new channel I have. It's called Life with David. Today I'm doing it's basically with challenges and stuff. So here it's not really a big of a challenge, but I have a cup, vinegar, measuring cup, and baking soda. You probably know what this is. It's a baking soda volcano. I don't want to do like a volcano thing actually, so we're just going to do little we're gonna do like two teaspoons of baking soda, like that. It's gonna be cool. I did a cut where you guys can see it. And then we have the vinegar to measure out. We're gonna do a lot. I need to do a lot. Alright, right there. Alright, here we go. Oh, dang. That was so sick. It really... Put a cap back on that. It really... I'm surprised it didn't like overflow of how much I put in there. I'm just rinsing that out perfectly. Yeah, I was surprised on how it didn't come out. So it either means I need to add more vinegar to make it come out, or I have to add more baking soda. Probably vinegar, because vinegar is the main key, and I need to move a lot of stuff back. Then, well, given like stuff ruined. So yeah, let's clean out enough. Don't give a crap if it's not dry. So we're gonna do more baking soda. That's a lot of baking soda. Then we're just gonna go straight away with the cup bottle. I don't know. I don't even look at me. I'm not a science guy. All I just know how to do this. I know. It's because I didn't dry it. So it goes up. It just needs to dry. Yeah. Hey, Maggie down. Maggie's fine. I know. I got a good whiff of the vinegar. I recommend you can do this at home. Just I'm dumb. I have no mats underneath this, and I don't want to. Put them out. I mean, I have a towel. I'll put a towel down. Okay. If you guys see me like bend over, it's because I'm sick. I've been sick for Maggie for about 2 days now. I was sick. The vinegar is, baking soda, I should say, it's not coming out at all. It's literally not coming out. Oh, there we go, I got that. Let's just let it soak. Honestly, I could probably just fill that up with water. You know, let that kind of soak, because I have more cups that are clear. Get a smaller cup. Alright. Baking soda. 2 scoops of baking soda. Alright. Vinegar. We're gonna measure this out this time because I feel like just pouring it at it's God, smelling it stinks. I feel like I'm pouring out at just a random. There it goes. There it goes. Yes! Thanks. It's worth it. Oh, God. That really stinks. But we did it! Finally. It overflowed. That was my accomplishment. I'm just gonna that in there. Throw this down the steps to my basement. Yeah. Oh, I missed that. Okay. So you got a girl, or ghoul, which is to make it explode. But I want to see something. The vinegar's in there. Alright, so I'm going to get a little bit on here. See, a little bit on here. Alright, it's still. You can do it in reverse. Just pour in the vinegar first and then put in the baking soda. Oh! I knocked my cat knocked over the cup. It's literally freaking exploded. I wish I got that on camera. Let's clean it out. Alright, well. Hey, at least now we know that you can pour in the vinegar first in the baking soda. So we're gonna do something very dumb. Because that's what we're gonna do on this channel. Stuff that's dumb. Oh shoot, it's overflowing. I got so scared because I thought it was gonna overflow so much. I just thought that. Ew! It's chunky! Blech. It's chunky. Very chunky. I got the taste of vinegar in my mouth. Blech. I hate this life right now because it tastes very bad. So that was a baking soda Volcano, but it's a cup. Well, we did it in a cup. So yeah, that's nice. Well, thanks for watching my first video on Life with David. There's going to be more videos, obviously. Like, why wouldn't there be more? Shoot. But make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what should I do next. I mean, I want to know because I have like no idea. I just did this real quickly. I'm wiping this because it stinks. I'm not sure of what to do next. So, ow. It would kind of be nice if you guys have any ideas on how to, on what to do next. I will definitely appreciate this, but I'm sorry, I am dumb right now. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the next video when it comes out. Bye.